deliverables, and key macroeconomic priorities. In addition, it is evident that interministerial collaboration is vital to driving increased impact and effective delivery. In view of the importance of this year's retreat, I will sit through all the sessions to listen to the cumulative assessment of our performance over the last 2 years and join the discussion on best approach strategies to implementing planned policies, programs, and projects that can significantly diversify our economy away from its dependence on oil revenue while sustaining the current economic growth trajectory. As I stated recently, 2 years and some months into the second term, the tradition of subjecting our projects and programs to independent and critical self-review has taken firm root through sector reporting during cabinet meetings and at retreats. These steps have helped to identify and strengthen weak areas, close gaps, as well as build cohesion and synergy in governance to manage the economy and improve the delivery of public goods and services to Nigerians. I am glad to note that over the past 2 years, ministers have rendered reports to the Federal Executive Council on their activities related to the achievement of their ministerial mandates. Some of the notable achievements include the establishment of Infraco PLC in 2020 as a world-class infrastructure development vehicle wholly focused on Nigeria with combined debt and equity take-up capital of 15 trillion naira to be managed by an independent infrastructure fund manager. The Prudential Infrastructure Development Fund was also established in 2020 with more than $1 billion United States dollars in funding. In addition, we have launched the Nigeria Innovation Fund by the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority. This is aimed at addressing investment opportunities in the domestic technology sector, data networking, data centers, software, agriculture, agri-tech, biotech, and more. On transportation, we are growing the stock and quality of our roads, rail, air, and water transport infrastructure. The Presidential Infrastructure Development Fund projects are also advancing remarkably. These include the 11.9 kilometer second Niger bridge, 120 kilometer Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, 375 kilometers Abuja, Kaduna, Zaria, Kano Expressway, and the East-West Road. Most of these projects are expected to be completed within the second term of our administration. Furthermore, we have made tremendous progress on railway projects in the country. Upgrading of our railway network is being extended with the recent completion of the Lagos-Ibadan line. The Itape-Ajakuta rail line has finally been completed and commissioned after 30 years of its conception. Work is expected to commence very soon on the Port Harcourt-Maiduguri line and Calabar-Lagos coastal line to connect the southern and eastern states of our country. Progress is also being made on the upgrading of our airports with the state-of-the-art facilities in line with world-class safety standards. On the economy, we witnessed 3 consecutive quarters of growth after negative growth rates recorded in the second and third quarters of 2020. The GDP grew from 0.8% in 2017 to 2.2% in 2019, but declined in the first quarter of 2020 as a result of the downward trend in global economic activities triggered by the coronavirus pandemic. As at second quarter of 2021, GDP growth rate was at 5.01%, the highest since the inception of this administration. On the power sector, implementation of a willing buyer, willing seller policy has opened up opportunities for increased delivery of electricity to underserved homes and industries.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.